Introducing the Lockley Vision Elite, the next generation of the award-winning Vision Video Smart Lock. Vision Elite combines doorbell, camera, and smart lock into a sleek all-in-one design that takes securing your home to a whole new level. With full HD video, motion sensor, quick fingerprint access, night vision, and two-way audio, Vision Elite provides the ultimate integrated experience at your door. Exclusive peek-proof Pin Genie touchscreen keypad with random pin shuffling technology and biometric fingerprint scanner make access quick and secure. Remotely lock and unlock and grant access to others even when you're not home through the Lockley Smart Access app. Vision Elite includes 2 quick swap lithium batteries, auto locking, a built-in solar panel for enhanced charging, motion alerts, tamper notifications, and more. We've taken our best and made it even better to secure what matters most to you. It's more than the world's most advanced smart lock. It's peace of mind.